This is a site visit of 156 Hucknall Road. We'll enter off one of the main arteries into the city, being Hucknall Road. One consideration we've had is there's daytime parking in front of the building, and then in the evening, during rush hours, there's actually a bus lane that runs there. But we've checked, and to either side of the building there is ample parking on off streets. This was what was laid out as the front living room communal area. We're looking to put this in as the first bedroom, with a ensuite being placed in this corner. As we move on through the corridor, what will become the second bedroom is currently laid out as a bedroom. The only difference we're looking to add in here is putting an ensuite, as in the other room, in this corner. From here there is a cellar, which is in a reasonable state of condition, it's not being affected by damp, and the only downside is the head height isn't high enough to utilise that space for anything more than storage. Kitchen's in a reasonable state of condition, but with the tenant profile that we're looking to go for, this is something that's likely to require an update. The boiler is a heat only, it's not combination, and as such we've got the hot water tank resting just here. The thoughts for the change in the layout of the building is to cut out this section of wall and open this space up to be more of a communal area, doing away with what's currently the third shower room and turning this area into a dining area for people to eat in a communal space away from their bedrooms. One thing to note here is the fire regulations have been put in place with fireproofing the corridor. There's an old system, but a good quality fire system in place currently. There's a number of fire doors throughout the property, but some of the furniture which needs updating and replacing to meet today's standards. This would have been used as a bedroom originally with a previous vendor. Our intention here is to turn this into a snug, with probably a big plasma TV on this wall and sofas running down either side, just to provide a place where you can socialise away from your room, albeit the current living room would be used as a bedroom, allowing maximum income to be generated from the property. The third bedroom, again, is immediately above the second bedroom, which we've just been into. There are good sized rooms, and even with the addition of the ensuite, which we'd be looking to put here directly above the ensuite in the second bedroom, the room size comes up to 8 metres squared. A consideration that we've had in here is to look at the layout, whether to add the ensuite above the ensuite in room 1, or whether to actually keep the existing bathroom in place, go through this wall and make this room obviously a larger room, utilising the current facilities that are already in the communal bathroom space installed. This would allow for a higher rental to be achieved and also make the room more marketable. We move on upstairs to what will be the 5th and 6th bedroom. This is very similar to the bedroom which has been placed below. Again, the ensuite unit would be placed in this area. A consideration that we've had here is whether to keep the bedrooms as large ensuites or place a wall here, making this a 1-bedroom flat, achieving a higher rent. You've got your shower here. This could be kept in situ, and then walking into what would be a large double bedroom. The property has obviously been used for a student client base previously, and whilst it's got the classic wood chip wallpaper and magnolia throughout, the state of repair of the decoration is to a reasonable standard. We're going to look at the plumbing, electrics and fireworks throughout and assess what needs to be changed with those in order to bring it up to today's specification. But overall, the property has some really good potential.